I am very delighted to be with you here this afternoon to formally commission one of the roads, or indeed the roads that we have recently constructed. Last year, we awarded 71 roads, 71 urban roads, and 10 rural roads. Those 71 roads have since been completed. Those are roads that were rehabilitated, in some cases constructed. But the roads that we're here commissioning are not part, thank you, they are not part of those 71 roads. In the course of commissioning or constructing those 71 roads, we identified in January some roads that we felt they are to be treated as emergency. And so we're commissioning 4 roads here today, and all those roads are quite significant. But one of those roads stands out. It is the road that leads to the home of one of our great legends. We have always told people that Enugu State is the home of legends. And we have one man who brings memories of years gone by to our doorstep. It is a man who reminds us of our golden heritage as a people. When we talk about Enugu as being the center of art and culture, it is a man who brought Enugu to that epicenter of art and culture. So we're here to celebrate him while he's still living with us. So we are also in honor of him. This Obinagu Mike Ejeagha Road, the entire stretch of the road is going to be named after him. So we're going to have the entire stretch known and recognized as Mike Ejeagha Road. If you have followed our event, you'd notice that just recently we also awarded contracts for construction of 141 urban roads. And I can tell you that Abakpa is also not left out in that 141 roads. Very soon we're going to commence the dualization of the Abakpa Market Road. We're going to dualize that stretch all the way to Pinsoka. That contract has been awarded and work will soon commence. I want to assure you that the commitment we made to serve you with every fiber of our being can never be lost on us. And we're going to work for you with everything we have. We're going to make you proud for giving us your mandate. So as we celebrate this living legend, I am going to also call on you for us to continue to remember him in our prayers for God to grant him longevity in good health.
Amen.
Named Mike Ejeagha Road for the benefit of the people of Enugu, and to the glory of God. Amen. Mike Ejeagha Crescent.
My dad, my manager, for some years now. I started trending back to life through training. I thank you. I appreciate you took the decision to follow him and do this work.
Thank you.
It has not.